Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's vlog I have come all the way to Bajagoli, and from here I am going to Chikmagalur actually. So right now I have come to this hotel over here, and we have come in the Innova. It's morning around 7 o'clock. You can see the sun. So I'll go inside, have my breakfast, and then on the route what and all good stuff I'll get, I'll try showing it. So in this hotel I had a very good pulao. It was very tasty. So coming up to this spot, we stayed a bit for some time there because everyone had to attend nature's call, and apart from that I thought of showing you the scenery around here in Chikmagalur district. And this is a shot before going inside the Chikmagalur city actually. The main thing is these places, that is the Baba Bodangiri and Mulyangiri, is a bit far from the Chikmagalur city. So Mulyangiri comes around 30 kilometers away from Chikmagalur, and Baba Bodangiri around 50 kilometers away. And first comes Mulyangiri, after that comes Baba Bodangiri, and these are the hills which you can see in those locations. A lot of hilly places, but I guess not everywhere you can go or travel. So friends, I'm going here. Actually, I'm going to Baba Budangiri actually. So this is the going route, but I thought of taking a video in the front over here. You can see there's a waterfalls in the side. Very nice spot. I'll take quick snaps of this place. Beautiful location. So friends, you can see very beautiful spot. The water is going down all the way from up. There's a temple, and a lot of people are also there here. Beautiful place. I truly like it. You can see the water all the way goes like this from there. I found this animal over here. You can call it a horse. Rarely seen anywhere here. So very pretty horse actually, white in color. So this is the waterfall. So we are heading back to the vehicle, which is right over there. And the falls, actually the water goes from this direction down. So friends, right, you can see there's Mulyangiri written over there. I'll focus it. So we are not going there first though. We have already crossed that point. We are going to Baba Budangiri in this direction up. So it's a Dattapita temple. Once I reach there, I'll make a video on that. Right now, I'm going there. So you can stay with me. And after I finish that, I'll go to Mulyangiri. So that video also I'll put. Then after that, one more giri is there. So 3 giris I'll cover today. So stay with me. So friends, this is the way inside the Baba Budangiri, and there are two things inside the temple or the masjid, you can say. In one side there is a Muslim part, and side of that only is a Dattapita. So we actually visited there to see the Dattapita actually, and it's very cold inside. So friends, I just came out of Baba Budangiri right now. It's over there, that view. Unfortunately, you are not allowed to take video inside. Another loss for me. So very cold area. You can see this side also. Very beautiful area. full of caged also to pass in. So the speciality of Baba Budangiri is one side there's a masjid, another side there is a temple. So very good place. You have to visit. So friends, this is all about Baba Budangiri. Now I'll continue my journey to another location. So friends, we are going to the selfie point. So we kept the vehicle up there, and now we are walking all the way here. This area is made only for taking beautiful shots of the nature. You can see around a very beautiful location. Really a fan of it. Very beautiful. You can see there are trees, there is greenery, and there is a grass plains also. Normal. And that's the route we came in. So very beautiful. And right now we reached that spot. So here it is, friends. It's like we covered the world from here. A beautiful place all around. That's the route we came in, and you can see there is a roadway all the way from there. So that's all the areas we have covered and come through here. Very cold area. So truly like the area. So I'll be in touch. We have another hill to go. I guess over there on temple we are going there next. So friends, I just came out of Baba Budangiri. So here you can see Baba Budangiri's area. So 6 kilometers if you go in this route, you go there. Whereas Mayankdara, it's another route this side, and Galikere, it's another area. So there are nearly 7-8 spots for this place. You can see at what height I am in. So I'll slightly extend. So you can see from here how far and where I am right now. So friends, this is the beauty of nature actually. So people are going in this direction all the way to Baba Budangiri. Now I have to go to another place. So that video I'll be doing now. Apart from that, where else I'm going today, I'll be doing all those videos. So please be with me, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because now onwards I'm planning of going to different locations and making more and more videos. You can see it's over there, Buttermilk Falls. You have to go in jeep down there in that road. So friends, we reached here. This is Buttermilk Falls they call it. No? So you have to go in jeep here. You can see there's a lot of crowd. Right now we are not going, and we don't know how much water may be there here. So you can see the crowd here and the falls is down there somewhere. So next time we'll try going there. Totally this place is a must to come. So many spots are there. Very beautiful place, and more will be coming soon. So let's keep on going.